Travis Needle Nose, and today we're going to be building the hybrid ratchet. So, if you don't know what it is, the hybrid ratchet consists of a Pittsburgh 25-inch breaker bar, half-inch, and a Matco half-inch flex head ratchet replacement head. And there's your part number right there, CFR 8TKHA. This idea, as far back as I can tell, comes from a TikTok user by the name of Redacted Raccoon. I'll have a link to his page in the description of the video. I saw his video on it. Figure I'd give it a shot myself. But just as he had said himself, don't try this at home. I'm doing this for my own purposes and just letting you guys follow along and see how it goes. But I'm not responsible for anything that you do, and I'm not responsible for your own safety. And that being said, if something bad happens, can't blame me, and you can't blame Redacted Raccoon. This is purely for entertainment purposes. With that all being said, let's get started with this sucker. So, looks to be a Torx bit head. It's on there pretty tight. And boom, we are out. I don't think I'm gonna need that snap ring, but we'll see about that. Now, I'll probably hold on to this. I do have one of these breaker bars in my toolbox at the shop as well. So, probably wouldn't hurt to have this around in case I snap another one of these heads off. Then I can just turn around and swap it around. But if I break the screw that's involved in there, then probably have to warranty the sucker out. But that'll be determined on a later date. Check out this flex head now. Look at that sucker. 88 tooth Matco flex head. Sounds great. Awesome. Be a nice addition. Now, something I want to cover here right now, and Redacted covered this on his video talking about his ratchet. I'm not trying to say don't support your local tool guy, because they are small businesses in and of themselves. People like me, people are like Redacted, we're just trying to save a quick buck here and there where we can. The Matco long half-inch ratchet, I believe, comes in around like $350 versus this. At the end of the day, this is costing me roughly around $30 for the breaker bar, and roughly, I want to say, like, I think it was like $30, maybe $40, give or take, for this head replacement. So all in all, I'm going to be out 60 bucks, which is a heck of a deal compared to buying the full-blown Matco ratchet, which is a lot longer than this, don't get me wrong. But, you know, I'm saving a buck where I can. I'm still trying to support my local Matco guy. He's an awesome dude by buying this right here. I still get on his truck every week, still check out what he's got, and I still, you know, buy tools off of him. I still support his business. This is me making a quick buck. I know a few of you in the comments might be like, oh, you're taking away his job, yada, yada, yada. Hey, man, we all got to eat. We all got to eat, and I'm just looking for a leg up in the competition somewhere where I can. So, let's keep building this ratchet. Now, let's see here. Maybe? Yeah, look at that fitment. God, that fits great. You know, almost like it was meant to be. But definitely gonna need to drill that hole out to fit the screw that came with the breaker bar. Huh, well, let's get to drilling. Default. The AR of power tool platforms. Well, after copious amounts of drilling, I think we are there. Definitely not the cleanest in the world, but I think she'll still send. Let's try to get this sucker all together now. It's definitely holding in. There we go. Get that screwed down. I think that should do it. Not too bad at all. A little on the taut side, but honestly, I prefer it to be that way. Look at that sucker. Talk about cheating the system. That is sweet. Cheapo Pittsburgh breaker bar reliability with USA made ratcheting head. Not mad about that at all. Again, a little on the taut side. I probably could drill that out a little more, but honestly, I kind of like it. Better than it sitting there flopping around. Yeah. Not too shabby for almost, give or take, $50 to $60 versus paying the $400 to $300 for the Matco ratchet itself. You know what? I think I beat the system on this one, but that'll be to be determined in the future. Definitely do a review after a few months of using this in the shop. That pretty much wraps it all up. Thanks for following along while I make the hybrid ratchet. I will include a link down below to Redacted Raccoon's video on him making and explaining this ratchet out. I really appreciate giving me the inspiration of doing this myself and giving me the info on it. And again, like he had said and I said, don't try this at home. This video is purely for entertainment purposes. Me and him, we are not responsible if you take it upon yourself to make this sucker and hurt yourself or damage things in any way, shape, or form. This is purely for entertainment. Don't be stupid. Don't do what I do. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. I will be doing a review on this ratchet in a few months. I'm gonna go ahead and take her to work with me starting tomorrow when I head in. And yeah, we'll see how she holds up and how she does. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated in the near future on that. Thank you all so very much for watching. I hope this video is entertaining for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, I have other videos on my channel of my build series of my Drift Mazda Miata, as well as tool review videos and any other automotive content or tool content that I find myself doing, and I can have a camera around and videotape it. I hope it can be entertaining for you in the future, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Please leave me a comment down below what you guys thought about this video and thought about this ratchet. And tell me what you guys think. Do you think it's going to last? Do you think it's just going to fall apart? Do you think I'm cheating out the tool companies, even on, I still support my local guys. I just saw this and I thought it'd be neat to make one myself and, get a leg up in the competition by building something cheap and hopefully reliable and neat little tool to have. But yeah, all in all, please let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Please like the video if you liked it. Please dislike if you didn't like it. Really helps me out either way. And if you guys enjoy this content, please subscribe and check out more of my videos. Really helps me out. Anyways, I've been your host, Needle Nose. Y'all have a good one.